So now we are on the home page of OVID platform. We have used ovidsp.ovid.com/auto login, and this is the home page. Here you must be noticing this message which is coming as appearing as an error. So if you are on to the uh, IP of your institution, means you are using internet from your institution, then you will not see this screen and this message will not appear. But if you are using your personal internet, then this message will appear, and you need to fill in your ID and password here, which you can get from your library, and then log in. So once you log in, you will reach out to the platform where it asks you to choose the resources. So we have different resources available here. So under ERMED, you have a subscription to journals, and here you will find your institution name, subscribed full text journal. Like this account is for Armed Force Medical College. That's why AFMC subscribed full text journal. Similarly, you will find your institution name, full text journals, or maybe if you don't see your institution name, you will find your journals at OVID. So make sure that if you want to search the full text of articles, then always choose your institution name label like this, or use your journals, and apart from that, you are able to see other journals which will give you much of abstract itself, as we host more than 3000 journals on OVID platform. But as I mentioned that in the ERMED only 19 journals are available. That's why you are able to you can get the results from 90 journals under this full text journals. And if you are interested in abstract, then you can use other resource as well. So you need to take here and click on OK. So now we will see how to see the list of the journals available to us,
and what kind of numbers you will see on the screen when you click on journals. So here you can see 169 journals are coming. So you must be surprised that I'm constantly saying 90 journals are available to you from ERMED. Why this account or this platform is showing 169 journals? See, it's not necessary that sometime that the institution is only getting access from ERMED. Sometimes they subscribe some titles by their own. Sometimes they have purchased something in the past for which you are getting perpetual access also. So here you will find all the journals which are available to you. Irrelevance of relevance of this is that it can include ERMED subscribed journals, it can include institution subscribed journals, and it can include the journals which are subscribed in the past but may not be renewed afterwards. So perpetual content also you can browse here. So here 169 journals are coming. On that you can see it will give you the information from which year the articles are coming to you. Like here many are coming from 2022, like this. So you can see the content availability also, from which year the results are the full text is available for journal and to journal. Here we have various options available, like you can filter by availability, like all OVID journals, or you are subscribed. So obviously by default filter is my subscription. But apart from this, you can filter by title. If you would like to see alphabetically, then you can check by alphabetically, or you can filter by subject, like within the clinical medicine. If I go here for anesthesiology, I want to see which all journals are available. So you can easily see these are various journal for which you have access. Like for anesthesia and analgesia, you have content from 1957 to 2022. Also, if you have any specific journal in mind, like Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery, you can search here as well, and then you can see this for this year. For this journal, content is available from 2015 to 22. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery. This is a journal page. Okay, on the journal page itself, on the left hand side, you will find all the filters. Not filters basically, because we are in the journal page right now. So we can see various volumes and issues published timely from here. So like if I want to see volume 104, I can simply click here and all the articles are available here. If you want to see the abstract of it, just click on this show abstract and you are able to read the abstract of each article here itself. So you need not to open each and every one and then read and then decide whether it is relevant to your requirements or not. So here you can simply see from the abstract, and then we will talk about how to get the full text of it. Of course, there are two options. You can use this PDF full text if to get the PDF version of it, or you can use OVID full text. So like if I go to OVID full text, it gives you entire article and a lot of other options, which I'm going to discuss in coming time, like just as we proceed further. So so far what we have seen is how to see specific journals by going to the journal page. Okay, but at the same time, uh, it's not always work in a way where we need to go to a specific journal and then see the articles from there. It's generally how it happens is we have a clinical topic, or we have a clinical condition, or maybe we have some project on which we are working and we want to search the article relevant to it. So we actually don't know which journal will provide me that article. So I need to just come and search as per my keyword. So here is the basic search. Now basic search is not that basic. Means it's not basic in the sense where you will not get the appropriate results. When I say basic search comes with a natural language processing in OVID, which not just capture your keywords, but it will also give you the contextual results. When I say contextual result, so like if I am putting keywords like breast cancer or postpartum depression, so it will not just pick articles which has postpartum depression or breast cancer as a keyword, but it will also sense and read the entire article. If it is talking about that particular condition in any way, that will also appear in your basic search. That way it ensures that you do not miss any results which are important for you. So let's start here with the basic search, and then gradually I will talk about find citation, search fields, advanced search, and multi-field search as well. So in the basic search, we can start with a topic like this. If you have a clinical research question, you can simply come here. You can either put one word, like if I want to search cardiomyopathy. So that is one word. That also I can put here in this basic search, or maybe entire sentence or an entire research question I can put in the basic search. Now another important thing is include related terms. This is very important so that it will give you the contextual results, not only just the specific keywords. Let's perform search. So here you can see we have seen more than 4,000 results, like is exact to be precise 4,460 results. Now you must be noticing that the results here are coming, and if I use this, I can read the abstract for it. There are colors coming like yellow color. Yellow color indicates, can I request you to mute participant to mute yourself? Here yellow color indicates the exact keywords which we have used in our keyword search. And from here you can see these stars are given. Now this star indicates the relevancy of articles as per your keywords. So we have here the filter for relevancy. When I say relevancy, what criteria we follow? We follow the number of times keywords are appearing in the article which you have entered. So it will give you the contextual search results, and when we talk about relevancy, it actually captures the relevancy is decided on how many times your keywords are appearing in the article, how closer they are appearing in the article. So like that, there are 5-6 criteria on which the relevancy is being decided and the results has been appeared. So like if you are interested in seeing the most relevant articles as per your keyword, so what you can do on the left hand side here, you can use this star ranking. 5 star means highly relevant. 4 star is a little less, and then it reduces the relevancy. So if I am interested in seeing the most relevant article, I just clicked on 5 star here and then click on add to search history. Just click on add to search history. So you can see here from 4,460 results, which is talking about maintenance of remission in Crohn's disease, has come down to 109. When I say come down, it is highly relevant articles as per your requirement. Now let's see from which journal the results are coming. So here you can see we have given years from which, if you have any specific date range to apply, you can apply these filters from here. If I want to see from 2001 to 2022, then I can apply that. Or if I'm interested in just 2 years, so I can apply 2020 to 2022 and then apply. Similarly, you can see from which journals results are appearing here. So you can see Journal of Pediatric Gastroenterology. See, another common question which I get from researcher is how to identify or how to find out which journal is relevant for their publication of manuscripts or articles. So for example, if I'm an author, I am a researcher, I'm working on certain project, and I want to see which journal is relevant for my this paper where I can submit. So for that, of course, what you can do, you can come to this OVID platform and you can enter your summary or keywords or the relevant topic here. And then you can come to this filter to see which all journals are from which the results are coming. So that will give you more insights, like which journal actually is capturing the kind of research which you are doing, or the topic on which you are pursuing research, whether that journal published that kind of research or not. So that's a good indicator how you can easily find out the specific journals for your research as per your key topics and research areas. Okay, so here we can see these results are coming from these journals, and if I want to see the full text of this article, I can go to this OVID full text. So on this page here, you can see the entire full text I can read very well, but it has a lot of features available on it. So you can see this full text linking. Like generally what we do when we have references, and if we want to check the abstract, generally what we do is we go to any platform like Google Scholar or a PubMed or maybe Google in that sense, and then we copy paste this references and then try to search the content for it. But here we have given the linking full text. So if any article is available as full text, you can simply click on full text and then read the that particular full text article from here. Now you can see here within full text and OVID full text, what is the difference between that? Full text is like articles which are available as full text as open access articles. They are not subscribed by your institution, but they are available as full text in an open space. So then you can use this full text. When it says OVID full text, it means that your institution is already subscribing to this particular journal. That's why you are able to see the full text of this article. So the moment I will click from here, I can use open link in new tab, and then I will be able to see the full text of this article also. So you actually need not to suffer or go anywhere to perform the searches again or see the article. So you can see a full text article is opened. I can read it well. Although my main article is this, which I am referring to. Okay, that's one feature. Another one is there are a lot of information is given here. Like if you want to interested in seeing the complete reference of this article, like who has published, when it is published, who is the author, what is the institution, all that information you will get here. Here you can also use citations, like if you want to cite this article in any specific format like AMA, PA, MLA. So you can copy the citation from here itself. Also, there is another requirement, which is if I want to share this article, how to go about it. If you want to share this article, generally in all other platforms, what happens? We generally copy the URL from the top and then share it with anyone. But especially in OVID, it does not work like this. In OVID, what you need to do when you open the article, use this email jumpstart. Just click on this and then copy this URL. Because in OVID, every session is unique. So the moment you will turn off your session, this URL on the top will not work. Okay, this is an individual user specific sessions or the code being generated. So we always request, if you want to share any article, please use this email jumpstart. Either you can use this particular URL or simply put the email ID of the person. Like if I want to send email on this, I can use this and then send. So then that way also it will be shared. Similarly, we have PDF jumpstart. Like if you want to share this article in a PDF reader format, then you can use this one. And you can email article text, save article also, and a lot of other things which you can do to personalize. We will talk about personalization in a while. Also, if you find any articles, any images in the article, you can use this export all images to PowerPoint slide, or else you can use this image gallery option. Just click on image gallery. You will be able to see all the pictures here. Either you can select picture of your choice, simply use select all to select all the pictures and export selected to PowerPoint slide. So from here, all the pictures will be downloaded to PowerPoint presentation. Now with it, also we have an outline. Like if you are interested in seeing any specific content, not just the entire content, you can jump into specific content by clicking the article outline from here. So I think with this, it's very simple. You need to come here, search, and you can put the keyword and see the full text here. Along with this, there are additional limits or filters we have given. So if you want to put additional limits, you can use this. So may I request? So here you can see we have given you some more filters here, which you can use, like articles with graphics, articles with abstract. There are some journal subsets, 5-star ranking, and various publication types are also available. With date range is also there, like last 15 years, 16 years, 36 years, whatever filters you want to apply, that is also available. Okay, coming back to sir. Okay. May I request? Okay. From here, let's talk about find citation, search fields, advanced search, and multi-field search option. So if in case you want to see which all, sometimes it's happened, it's not necessary that you find the articles on OVID only, or you go to a specific platform. Sometimes you are reading some articles over the PubMed or maybe on Google, but you want a full text of it. So for that, if you have information on any specific article, out of this, like if you know the title of the article, if you know the journal name, author name, surname, like this, you can simply use something like this from here. You can put the DOI and then you can search. So every article has been given a specific DOI number. You can use DOI, you can use article title, you can use journal name. And if that is subscribed by your institution, that will be reflected. So here you can see one article has come directly like this. So you can easily open and full text, read this full text from here. It's very simple. Now we have performed various searches here. Basic search to find citation. Very quickly, let's see multi-field search, and then I will come to search field and talk about advanced search. So here in the multi-field search, you can see we have different fields here. Let's take a situation where we want to understand or read the articles on cardiomyopathy. Let's use one example here, like cardiomyopathy. But as you know, article is of like 5 to 10 pages. Okay, so where I want this cardiomyopathy word exactly to appear, or which kind of articles I want to see for cardiomyopathy. So here I'm putting a situation that I need to see only those articles in which cardiomyopathy is appearing only in title of the article. So I can choose various fields from here. I can choose various fields from here where I want to see the information. Like for example, I want to see in title. So I choose title here. Okay. Similarly, I choose treatment. Like I want to see the treatment of cardiomyopathy and in children, for instance. But let's make it a little more complex. I will add one more criteria to it. Okay. Here I'm putting adults. So now what is the relevance? Here you can see on the left hand side, here operators are given. So when I'm using AND operator, these are called Boolean operators. When I'm using AND, actually I'm combining two keywords like cardiomyopathy plus treatment plus indicates and children. But here I can choose not. So now what kind of result I will get? I will get the full text articles for treatment of cardiomyopathy in children, but it will exclude all the articles which are talking about adults. Okay. So let me search this. So you can see very specific 79 results are coming. Let me very quickly show you the basic search on the cardiomyopathy itself, or maybe treatment of. So here you can see 9,661 results are coming, but as it is capturing more uh, contextual information. So here you will get more information. So now the choice is yours whether you want to see very specific results or a broader set of results. So platform itself is providing an option. So you need to aware what differences you will find when you use different options here. So here 9661 results are coming for treatment of myopathy in children, but there is a possibility that it will include also some articles which are talking about adults as well. Here we have excluded adults, so that's why using multiple field search we can very uh, focused searches we can run using multi-field search. Okay, now let's talk about search fields. Here in this, whatever fields are available in an article, you can choose or search in that particular fields here. So here like all fields are available, but like if I want to search only institution, like sometimes I want to know about in particular institute how many articles published by one institute. So you can use this option, or maybe as such, like if in India as such, I want to see which all articles are available in India. I can search by using this particular field. So now I'm going to search India under institution, where India is mentioned under institution in all the articles. So here you can see 10,000 results are available from India. So that's how we can search in any specific articles within the specific fields here. Okay, and also it also gives you option like if I want to combine any results like this and this, I can use Boolean operators here also. Okay, it's not like that in the multi-field search I can combine, but here I can combine various search. Whatever we are doing, we are actually uh, capturing it here. Okay, so I can combine various two results here under this, and then we can further get the narrow results as per our requirement. Now, regarding advanced search, okay. Now, advanced search, how it is different and what is the science behind it. So generally, we host a lot of databases also, like Medline or Embase in that sense. So advanced search is good when you are using abstract and indexing databases. Like if you are using Medline, OVID Medline, or OVID Embase, then you can use advanced search. Otherwise, for full text searches, all other searches which I have explained is good, like starting from basic search. So that is about searching, but as our topic says, it's beyond searching. So search is something which is necessary, but of course, at the same time, when we are searching for any specific keywords or criteria, we don't want to leave it there itself. So I'm just removing these standalone searches from here. So for example, if I have run these searches, okay, so if I am collaborating with different authors, how I can share the results with them? So
Right.
you can do multiple things. You can actually use this email all search history link. So they can easily find what are the steps you have carried out to reach out to these results. Similarly, you can copy search history link. Now, what is this copy search history link? Let me show you very quickly. When you use this copy search history link, actually it is creating one customized URL for you. This is the URL which is created, okay? And now you share this URL with any of your colleagues whom you are working with on this research, particular research. They can come to this URL in a separate browser, just copy paste it, and if they are in the institution, no authentication is required. But if they are using remotely, then what it will do, it will run the searches automatically. See, he need not to go and search for the keywords again. This platform itself execute the searches and show the final results which we have received after performing the searches. So it is very time saving for your colleague. And see, so what we have done or you have done here, it's being reciprocated at this side when you share the copy search history link. Not only this, you can also copy this text and the number of results, like copy search history detail. And if I go back to our notepad where I have, so you can see this query has been shown, like what is being run, all the terms is given here. How many results has come, all that information is available under this 4460, like this. So very useful tool for sharing, but not just about sharing. Like I perform this search. What else I want? I can create auto alert for it. I can create RSS feed for this. Also, I can save this search. So if I click on save all, it will ask me to create a personal folder. So like, for example, if you have a ID and password for your institution, that is separate. That is only for browsing the content. But if you want to create or do personalization, then you need to create a separate account within itself. If you have already, then it's fine. Otherwise, you can just click on create account, and then it will ask for very basic information like I am creating account like this. You need to set a password, confirm password, and then you can have your email address like this, and your first name and last name. Use this and create account. The moment you will create and come on this, it will give you the option where you can enter the text like Crohn's disease, maybe on which we are searching the results. And similarly, you can have an option whether you want to save this search for temporary, like 24 hours, for permanent auto alerts, or within your projects. So if I say auto alert, it gives me an option like how frequently you want to get notification for new articles being published, quarterly, monthly, every other week, or on which day of the week, like this. And similarly, it include open access results, your choice if you want to do it. Email, RSS feed, or my project. You can go to my project. If you have already created a project, that's fine. Otherwise, you can create a new project here, like like this, and you can see here. So if you go to now, if you want to see where is this auto alert, if you come to this my workspace, you will find this Crohn's disease. You can save here, see it is already saved. And whenever, as per my selected frequency, bi-weekly Wednesday, I will be notified on my email that what is the new articles being published. When I say new articles, from now onwards, till the time next Wednesday or bi-weekly Wednesday, every time it will search for the new articles. So that way you remain updated. Means you need not to worry. System is doing work for you. And similarly, you can copy this, run, select and run this. When you come back, if you want to do it manually, you can run, and then it will automatically run and suggest if there is anything new being added to it, to the platform. See now, so it is showing 0 results because we have just run and there is no new article being published since when we set up this alert. I think now with this you get a lot of clarity how it works actually. Okay, along with that, so we have covered all the searches here. We have covered how to see various journals available from different journals which is available under ERMED. And let me very quickly show you this multimedia also. So let it come. And as we have created personal folders also, there is certain more advanced options are available, like as earlier we were searching for JBJS, like for example this. So this is the journal which we quite often use. For example, you can mark it as my favorite journal. So when you click on my favorite, next time if you want to review it, you don't need to search, you just come under this my favorite and you will find my JBJS essential surgical techniques. Like that, you can make favorite for any specific art journal which you want to refer. And of course, then you can check in your specialty which all journals are available. Fair enough. Let me quickly touch upon this multimedia content, and then we will open the floor for the questions. So here you can see we have a lot of videos available under this multimedia section. For all the subscribed content, you are able to see the full videos. You are able to download the videos, and you can search videos here. It is divided into various subject categories, specialties. So it is quite good to see these kind of videos also. You can play, download whatever you want with this. And similarly, you can see the related images. Images is also there, and the link to download further. Okay, so I'm not downloading it just for the reason it will take a lot of bandwidth. So fair enough. But there's an option available which you can utilize from here. Coming back to search, as in the beginning of the session, I told you that you have this screen available where you will either see your institution name or your journals. Okay, your journals at OVID. So you need to always choose your journals or a banner like this, like your institution name, subscribed full text journals. That will give you the full text. But if you want to see abstract also, then if you are performing searches, you can use this change option. So right now we have subscribed selected full text only. But if you want to see the abstract from more than 3,000 journals on this platform, then you can change this and you can select all OVID journals abstract, or you will get OVID full text, journals at OVID full text maybe. Okay, so but we will make change that you will see this type of screen only in your institution, where you have institution name with the full text journals, or title like this, all OVID journals abstract. So if I want to click on this, then it will show, or basically I can select like this and OK. After this, I can search in all the journals. So let me show you very quickly here. Search. So earlier we were searching only in the subscribed content, full text. Now we are searching in 3000 journals, more than 3000 journals which we host on this platform. So you can see here, earlier we are getting 4000 results something. Now we are getting 10,000 results on this particular one. Okay, and here much of abstract you are able to see, not the full text. That's why it's important to make sure that here you choose full text option if you want to search for it. Okay, with this, I think we have broadly covered a lot of things which will help you to run the searches, get the desired result, save the searches, share the results which you have brought in. Last, just one more second, and then I'm done. If at the research, when we do research, it's very important to export citation. Sometimes we need to import the citation into citation manager tool like EndNote, Manly, Zotero, Reference Works. We use this. So like this, you can select the articles from here, go to this export option, and we give you all the options. Like here, you can uh, enter means download the file compatible to EndNote, Reference Works. RIS is compatible with Mendeley. Like that, you can choose any one of them. Or if else you want, you can use Excel sheet directly. And from here, you can also use this option, or you can customize the field as I have shown you earlier, like ISSN, document, abstract, save, and annotation is another feature. Like I will show you that one as well. But before that, let me export. In the meanwhile, it is exporting. Let me tell you about annotation. If you read this article and you find it relevant to your requirements, and you want to write something about it, you can use annotation. Here you can write this is relevant and save annotation. Okay. So what will happen when you export the results? It will also give you an option to export annotations. So whatever comment you will that will also export in this kind of Excel. In this one, it is not be exported because I have not choose the option. But in future, if you do it, definitely it will come. So here. So you can see here, we have all the fields available and exported into the citation, the Excel sheet. And here you will find AB is abstract, AU is author, like that, the abbreviation used and their description, which is used here on the top. Great. So that's how this OVID platform definitely helps you. If you want to see and want to read and learn more about it, so let me show you some resources available here. So you can see we have this particular links, tools.ovid.com/ovid tools. This URL, you can click the pictures, you can go here. You can reach out to me as well at any time if you stuck somewhere, you need any help in getting the results, or finding any difficulties in browsing and accessing the resources, you can contact me as well. With this, the last thing which I want to show you is, just give me a moment. On your screen, this QR code is coming. If you have a mobile handy, and if you have a QR code scanner or a camera which can scan the QR code, I want you all to please scan this QR code. And in the meanwhile you do this, we can also open the floor for the questions. So I'll keep this one and this together. Yes, please feel free to ask questions. If you have, you can drop in into chat box.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, is this the QR code is enough to get into login and personalize our account, or it's to the college we have to get the account to log in?
Ma'am, this QR code, which is right now in front of the screen, this is a QR code for the feedback. But
Okay.
regarding the access, let me very quickly give you the URL here, and maybe this is the URL. So I'm referring, ma'am, I have shared the link in the chat box. That is the URL to access the platform. And then the second thing is, if you want to access it remotely, then you need to contact your library. We have given them ID and password. They can share it with you. That's number two. And the third part is to personalize, basically, whatever, when you reach to the platform, then you can create your own personal ID and password and then save everything within that folder. So that institute will not create for you. You can create yourself by using any email ID of your preference. I hope I am able to answer your question, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I'm supposed to go to my library and for the IP address and password. Is that
Sorry,
right,
ma'am.
sir? I'm supposed to go to my library for the ID and password.
Yes, madam. Because this is being circulated to library of the institution, you can either, you don't need to go physically, you can simply write an email to them probably, and they will help you with the credentials.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Any question?
QR code again on the screen, please.
Yes. So this is the QR code for accessing the platform. And another QR code is about the session. So I am putting up this is for feedback, this particular one, because we really want to understand what you like about this session and what you don't like, but which is most important, so that next time when we come and interact with you, we are more focused towards your requirements, and probably we can handle it much better the way how you want it. But at the same time, if you like the session, then definitely that will motivate us also to continue to grow. So with this, I think I need more questions. If anybody has questions further, you can write down in chat or you can ask directly. With this, we end the session here. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Special thanks to our uh, Director, National Medical Library, Dr. Us, to mark his presence here. Also, a special thanks to Dr. K.C. Singh, sir, for being here, being pioneer and pivot in organizing these events so efficiently, reaching out to the end users in a seamless way to help them in their queries and problems. So, so much, sir, for handling it so well, giving us the opportunity to participate. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful rest of the evening. We look forward to meet and interact in coming sessions. Uh, as Sir has said that we are organizing physical meeting also, we look forward to come to you and have a one-to-one interaction and able to help you out in all your queries. With this, thank you so much, and I'm going to end the meeting for now for everyone. Thank you and bye-bye.